Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Benton County and north central Texas until 12:30 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located west of 10 miles southwest of Stenger, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, come around 12:15 a.m. Saying around 12:30 a.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.